Good morning. It's Saturday, March the 11th. Today we're out in the backcountry. My good buddy Jamie has invited me down to his cabin for the day, and we're going to do some ice fishing possibly, and just get out on the snowmobiles or quads. Not sure yet, depending on the terrain. We had about 10 centimeters of snow last night, so looks like a beautiful day up in the country. Almost ready for the snowmobile run. Sleds are ready. That's the one I'm driving right here. Better catch up. We're on the old railway bed now. Newfoundland used to have a railway system. In the late 80s, I believe, the railway was done. But now they have now they made it into a trail right across the island. It's called Ma's Kitchen. Some good advice. What's it called again? Ma's
Kitchen.
Ma's Kitchen.
You can see in through the window it's on the corner. Like they got tables, stove, wood stove, everything in there.
So it's closed for COVID and they never opened it again.
No, they haven't opened it yet, no. See the live edge table they made? Look, took the roots of a couple of trees and then they just milled it. idea, huh?
That's pretty neat. Well, that's it for another trip. We never got to do any ice fishing. By the time we had planned to go to do the fishing, it turned to freezing rain and the winds picked up, so it just didn't make sense. So all in all, we did about almost 70 kilometers on the snowmobiles, and anyway, it was a great day. Lots of fun, nice trails, and all in all, good trip. And the end of another episode of Luff's Life Outdoors. We'll see you guys soon.
Going on to Old Bravo. Oh, she's frozen. Skis are froze. Oh, there he goes. He gone. Old Bravo. Look at him going. Look. I don't think he's gonna make turn. He's gonna go up the path now, then he's gonna come back around. I'll get him over here now.